Makes sense. Thank you for expressing that so passionately. When looking at the movie Ready Player One, I don't know if you've seen that, but then you have this utopical virtual world which is almost even more attractive than the physical world. And you already mentioned Decentraland, and there's plenty of others like Sandbox, Axie Infinity. How far do you think we are from this ideal state of the metaverse? Are we already in the metaverse, or are we just at the doorstep of this development? How far are we?
Well, if you would go back in time, you had Second Life. So you could say we already had our first version of some kind of metaverse years ago. You have Fortnite, you have like all the type of Minecraft and all these type of like half immersive gameplays and worlds where you can like add a dancing move to your character and buy that. So a lot of the things are there. But what happens when new technologies come along is there's a first generation and a second generation. And it's that second generation that actually becomes disruptive. Because the first generation is, can we use the technology and translate something from the world we know into this new technology? But we don't change the rules, we don't change how things are applied. So for instance, when the internet came along, everybody was using it as a sort of like online newspaper. You would write and you'd publish it. And it would be like, you can come and visit my webpage as if you were coming to my newspaper. It was only afterwards when Web 2.0 came along that like, no, anybody can be a content creator. And we're going to change the way how you link with people because you can socially network a lot easier in this world than you can in the physical world. So you can see that Web 1 and Web 2 were completely different animals. And that's what's going to happen with the metaverse. I think we're seeing Metaverse 1. We will hopefully very soon see the birth of Metaverse 2. And it will be different than what we've ever experienced before. And this could be because there's some kind of new chip or whatever that gets implanted that makes us part of it, which wasn't possible before. There's new commercial models. Any of those things can provoke it.